Alright you guys, so today we are doing an Evap purge valve on a 2017 Chevy Traverse. Alright, so the first thing you gotta do is take this oil cap right here off in order to take everything else off. So make sure you put it somewhere you ain't gonna lose it. And then this whole thing right here comes up. And then the Evap purge valve is right here. And I'm going to explain how it works. So there's one bolt right there that comes out, and I believe that's like a 10 millimeter, and you have to be careful with these clips. You don't want to break that clip. So let me get my tools. So I just bought this tool set right here. Comes handy, man. This is handy right here. Mobile mechanic in a Honda with some with a big green, y'all. Big green, okay? So all you're basically going to need is a 10 millimeter and a wrench. So find your 10 millimeter. There you go. All right, so the way that Evap purge valve works is the vapors from your gas tank, they're recycled. So it don't go into the atmosphere. So it's just one bolt. That bolt right there. So when it goes bad, what it does is it stays open. So your engine's getting all the vapors, and when you go to fill the tank up or something, it won't start because your engine's being flooded. So that's a little example, because it goes through this canister, charcoal canister, and it filters, and then it goes into here, and then it's electronically opens and closes during your ride. See, it just pulls off like that. And then you got your clips, your power supply. You just push in right here and it pulls out. And here's what the canister purge valve looks like. So what happens whenever it goes bad, it stays stuck open, because this part right here is what stays open. So it's supposed to supposed to close and open during your ride. And what it does is when it stays open, then it's constantly feeding all those vapors to your engine, and it's going to make it run rich. So you'll get one of those codes, and you'll have to change it out. And here is the new one. It's PV 479 for this Chevy 2017 Chevy Traverse. All right, so you got your gasket, got this little O-ring right here. It's going to go right here. Make sure you don't forget that, because you don't want it to be leaking, because then all this would be for no reason. Okay, so it goes like this. Make sure you put them on right. So I'm going by the old one. See, this rubber part goes on this side, the green side. So it's going to go like this. Boom, like that. And you got your other one, goes on there. And then this part right here goes in here, like so. Boom, boom, there it is. And then it's gonna go in through like that. There you go. Out with the old, in with the new. So make sure you got everything correctly done. And looks good to me. All right, let's put it back together. All right, so you got your connector. And you got this. And also, while you're at it, you might as well make sure all that's clean. Make sure you don't have an Evap leak, because one of these hoses could have a hole in it, and doing all this would be for no reason, because it'd be pulling that coat off because of that leak. So make sure you do some research on it. Make sure that everything is done correctly. Listen, anybody could do that. But some people are scared to do it because they're scared to break something. So be careful doing it. Do your research and learn about it. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how it works with this new one here. I'll have her to start the engine, and it should be closed when she starts it up. Go ahead and start it. See, it's closed. Nothing. See, this periodically opens up. It opens and closes to let the fuel vapors in. So while you're down here, make sure you listen, see if you hear anything. I don't hear no leaks or nothing. We throw that on there. Boom. She's all done. All right, you can turn it off. That's how it's done, you guys. We don't play no games. And also, I recommend that you disconnect the battery before you do it. The battery is, I believe the battery is in the underneath the seat, so I wasn't doing all that. And it's not really that big of a deal, especially on this job. So I know you guys are gonna hit me in the comments like, oh, he didn't disconnect the battery. It's okay, it's not that big of a deal. It's just an Evap purge valve, dang. All right, you guys, so just put it back together. All you gotta do is throw this on there. Your gas cap is out. Boom. Out with the old and in with the new. I forgot to mention, while you're in here, you might as well go around and make sure you don't have no loose connections or nothing, because that will throw a code off in the future, or it's probably your problem right now. See that? Oh, that's good. But make sure everything's good. Your map sensor, all that good stuff. Mass airflow. I think it's mass airflow sensor right here. See, I'm learning as I go, you guys. But what do you think about the video? Please hit that like button and subscribe. And yeah, hit me in the comments. Don't be saying no rude stuff now. Y'all be on here talking trash. Okay, that's one thing. It's good, yeah. All right, that's it. Happy customer.